Here I've got LG K50 and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the browser that you are using. In my case, it's Chrome. Just make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi and then click on the More icon, which is 3 dots one in the right upper corner, then select History. And now go to Clear Browsing Data. And you can perform either basic or advanced cleaning. So in basic you can choose browsing history, cookies and site data, and also cached images and files. And then in advanced functions you have saved passwords, auto-fill data, and site settings. So if you would like to delete them all, simply mark all the functions. Finally, select the time range, so you can choose between last hour, last 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, all time. So I will pick all time. I would like to remove all history that is stored in my device and then click on Clear Data. Wait a couple of seconds and that's it. As you can see, there is no more history here, and now you can create it from the beginning. So that would be all. This is how you can clear browsing data in your device in your LG K50. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.